Hey, thank you for joining me today, because this is a very special video for me and for you golf fans out there. I ordered my new 3-wood, and guess what? It came in today. Ooh, so excited. My 3-wood came in, so this is my 3-wood unboxing. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this guy. It's a Cobra F7 3-wood that came out in 2017. It came to my attention through Rick Shields. He had a video on it, and I love the color. I love actually he calls it bluey. Well, back in 17, I picked one up. I went to my local big box golf store. I picked up a brand new one with a stiff shaft. I couldn't swing it for the life of me. Could not swing it. Instead of going back and getting a regular shaft or a different shaft, I just took it back. And to this day, I haven't replaced my 3-wood. But anyway, I found one through Second Swing. This is it. I'm so excited. Let's see, let's check this out. All right. Because since then I ended up picking up a Cobra 5-wood. Careful with that knife. Cobra 5-wood that I hit as long as my old 3-wood, which was oh my god, it was an exotic strong 3-wood that I picked up in 04, 05. I paid four bills for it back then, but beautiful 3-wood. But that Cobra went about as far as that 3-wood, so I took that 3-wood out, and I've been without one for about a year, maybe more. Huh, it doesn't look blue. King F7. Well, it's not blue, it's silver. But it's a F7, King F7. I wonder if it's different than the Cobra F7 with the blue one. What type of shaft? Let's see. I know it's an upgraded Vista Pro regular shaft, 65 Vista Pro regular shaft. The grip looks pretty nice. Well, I don't mind the silver. I mean, I was looking for blue, but wow. Let's put her in my golf bag. Where is it? There you are. King F7 Baffler Tech. This might be an upgrade from the from Bluey. Okay, I like the look. With the black face, the silver head. The Cobra lining aid there. The white scoring lines. But I was initially drawn to the club because of the name. The F7. The F7. I said I love 7, and I guess I must love the letter F. Okay. Just put her in my bag. This is it. I'll show you my clubs. I'll do what's in my bag video. Okay, there she blows. Got my brand new 3-wood. Wow, it's been since 04, 05 since I've had a big dog 3-wood. All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching, all you golf fans out there. And we'll see all you golfers here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody. Oh yeah, hit that really good. There it is. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby.